Hello kids. Today I'm gonna teach you how to work in Big Collage. So I hope that you all have Big Collage in your home computers now. Okay, so let's click on search and type Big Collage. Okay, so when you type PIC, if you have it in your computers, it will show in this pop-up menu. Click it and open. Then after you will have these three grids: freestyle and templates. So when you want to create your design in a grid, you can click on this, or if you need any templates for birthday card or any other invitation, you can use one of the template. But here in school we are working in freestyle only, so click on freestyle. So when you click on the freestyle, you will come to a page like this. Now here you can see the tools of Collage. I'll talk about them later. And first of all, let's see how to change the page size. Okay, let's imagine you want to make an invitation card. So usually we don't create invitations card in a big page like this. Okay, so let's click on this tiny box with an arrow, and here you can see all the page sizes available. So when you want to create an invitation card, you can click use one of this. Okay, if you want to create a thumbnail or a cover page for your YouTube channel, you can use this. Or else if you want to create a poster or something like that, a big design, you can use A4 or as this letter, or as if you want to use the full screen size, you can use this. Okay, so now I'm clicking on this A4, and then let's click on the tick mark. Okay. Then next let's click on the plus. Okay, and now I'm going to teach you how to use these tools. First let's click on the photos. Okay, now along this video in your Google Classroom, I have uploaded few pictures. Please make sure that before you start your work, yeah, you have downloaded this image. For that you can ask your parents to help you. Okay, so make sure that you have these pictures in your download folder or somewhere easily where you can find. Okay, let's click on plus photos, and now let's add images. Just click on the image and then click on open. Okay, so this is how you can add an image. Okay, you can add many more like this. You can add images. Next to, let's click on plus once again, and the next one is use camera. Using this camera tool, you can take pictures and you can add them here. The next one is web search. Actually, this web search before it worked, like before 2 to 3 years back it worked, but actually unfortunately now it's not working anymore. It's okay, we don't want to search any images here, we can download and use. Next, ink. Using this ink, you can draw something. It works like a mark, just like this. Let me show you. Okay, or else if you want, you can draw something. Hmm? And here is the eraser. Once you click on it, it will erase. Okay, the next tool is the text. Okay, using this text tool, you can add text here. Since we are going to use the animals here, excuse me, since we are going to use animals here, I'm going to give the text as animals. And next, after type, you can change the font style just by clicking like this. Okay, and if you want to change the font color, you can click on this A letter and you can choose any color. Just click it and see. Okay, after that, let's imagine you want to give a highlight color to your text. So then you can select any color like this. Okay, and if you don't want, after you added this, you are not happy with that, you like it without the highlight color, then click on this ash color circle. Okay, then it will remove the highlight. Okay, and next, after done the changes, you can click on this arrow to add the text. Okay, by clicking, you can move your text to wherever you want on your working area. And then when you click on it, you can see a tiny arrow. Okay, arrow appears for few seconds and disappear. Okay, before it disappear, click on it, and then after, if you want to delete, you can click on this delete button. Okay, if not, let's imagine after you type, you are thinking that I want to do some changes. Okay, I want to give a different color. Okay, so like that, you can do the changes and you can add the text. If you want to make the text bigger, click and drag this circle out to make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, drag it in. Okay, next, we have stickers here. Okay, I know that you love to add stickers. Let's click on it. Okay, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 albums. Okay, since I have downloaded this big collage, I think maybe five years back, I guess. Because of that reason, I don't know. I have these albums, but I can see in our IT lab after install these big collage apps in September, we found only one sticker album. Okay, so since you all have only one album here, don't know whether if you have more stickers at home, you may use it. Okay, here, okay, you may use them, but today here in our tutorial, I'm going to use this first album only. Okay, so to add stickers, you can click on. Okay, you can click on any amount of stickers you like, and then after click on this arrow. So these stickers also, by clicking on this arrow, you can make them bigger or smaller by click and drag it. Okay, let's imagine after you added this stickers, you want to have the same. Okay, rather than going clicking and getting it from the sticker album, easily you can duplicate them just like this. You can make the copies. If you don't want, you can drag and drop in the bin. Not only these stickers, you can make the copies, you can make copies of the pictures as well. Okay, duplicate, making copies. Got it? All right, and now I'm going to delete this. Clicking on this, by clicking on this tiny arrow circle, you can find more tools. Okay, next, the the main tool is the background. Okay, using this, you can give a beautiful background color. Okay, and we have patterns also. But when you are working, I prefer using a single color. Okay, so make sure that you, when I'm giving an assignment or as any other homework, please go for a single color. But when you work at home, when you are creating birthday cards or any other invitation cards, any other works at home, you may use these designs, but not for the school works. Okay, which color I will use? Okay, hope. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, and then after click on this arrow. Now, next, let's see how to crop images, how to cut images. We have two options. We have two options to crop images. First of all, click on the image, then after click on this tiny circle here. Okay, and let's go to effects. When you go to effects, you can, let's imagine you want to change the color of the image. Okay, so you can use any of this if you want only, just like this. Okay, but if you don't want to change any effect or any like the how the picture looks like, just keep it as it is. If not, just click on no effects. Now imagine you want to remove this background area, the green area. Okay, so you can click on these tiny circles and drag it up to here, from left to right, and from this side also click and drag it, and from bottom to top little bit, and from top to bottom a little like this. Using this effect tool, you can crop the image um, in a rectangular shape or a square shape. Okay, after that click on this arrow. Okay, so this is how to crop using the effect tool. And another option is using the scissor tool, using the click tool here. Let's imagine, click on it. Let's imagine you want to get this parrot only without any single background. Okay, to do that, you should have a good practice in this. And then other thing is, please do it very slowly. Okay, so I'm gonna start it from here, from this branch. Okay, and now you click on it and drag your mouse around this. Okay, so when you're cropping, if you feel a pain in your fingers, you may release the mouse and start again. All right, let's imagine while you're cropping, suddenly by mistakenly you did a mistake like this, or else somebody came and hit your hand. So then what can you do? Okay, you can click on this tool here. There's a tiny eraser. Just click it, and it's asking, are you sure you want to discard this clip? Say yes. Then you can restart. Okay, let's imagine you just crop it like this. Okay, you are in a hurry and you are thinking that, okay, here you go, I am know how to crop it. Okay, and then you are adding the image. But after adding the image, still you can see there are tiny parts of background around the parrot. Then you have to crop it once again. Okay, without deleting this and taking another picture, easily you can edit the same. Click on this tiny arrow, then after click on this clip tool, then use the eraser tool and say yes to discard this clip. Now let's do it properly. Okay, then around this blue. Okay, like this. You have to come to the starting point. Now it's done. Then let's click on this arrow. Okay, there you go. This is how you can crop using the clip tool. Now let me crop one more and show you. Plus photos, and this time let's take the cat and click on open. Okay, and then how to do it? Click on this arrow and click on clip. And let's start. Okay, and I stop and I start. Okay, and let's go to the starting point. And then let's click on this arrow. Okay, children. So this is how you can crop the images using the scissor tool or as the clip tool. After that, let's see finally how to save your work. To save your work, you have to click on this tiny arrow. Okay, click it. And then after click on the save button. And then from here, you can choose the place where you want to save. I prefer the desktop. And here, the file name, give a meaningful name. So I'm gonna give animals. Okay, and yeah, two. And then after, let's click on save button. So that is how you can save your work. Let's minimize my pic collage and go to our desktop and find the picture. Here it is. Just double click and open and see. Okay, this is our saved work. So children, please do practice and save your works and enjoy pic collage. Thank you.